이탈리아의 어느 기차 안, 국가를 초월한 비밀 첩보기관 시타델의 비밀 요원 나디아가 타겟을 쫓고 있습니다. 그런 나디아를 뒤에서 보조하는 지원 요원 버나드가 등장합니다.
Now remember, our intel says that the shitbag is carrying highly enriched uranium in that case.
그때 나디아의 뒤로 누군가 나타납니다. 그녀의 파트너 요원 메이슨이었죠.
You like that, Mason?
He's into me.
Éramos un equipo. What's with the wedding ring?
It's part of my cover. Maybe it's just an old habit.
I thought your old habit was lying.
I thought your old habit was just leaving.
I've been in Berlin.
How is Operation Bullshit?
He's got backup. He would have blown our cover. I pursue you, Flight.
나디아가 타겟을 뒤쫓자 한 남자가 따라붙고 메이슨이 그 광경을 포착하는데
Hey!
메이슨이 미행을 처리하는 사이 나디아는 타겟에게 접근합니다.
Gregor Yovanovich, mind if I join you? I'm Charlotte.
Gregor, of course.
Is that your food?
It's a 22 Beretta aimed at your nuts.
Your citadel.
The bag.
그런데
Nadia, that's your real name. There is no uranium. We fed false information to your people to lure you here so I can hand deliver a message. You know him, I imagine.
화면 속엔 죽어가는 시타델 요원들이 보였죠.
Milan, Paris, Cairo, and hundreds more.
Who the fuck are you?
기차 안은 이미 의문의 적들로 가득했고
Why'd you got eyes on Nadia? Dining car.
결국 나디아는 완전히 포위되고 마는데
Long time to wipe Citadel from the face of the earth. It was worth the wait.
위기의 순간 등장한 메이슨이 상황을 뒤집습니다.
We were set up.
Who are they?
I don't know, but they're burning Citadel to the ground. I need to tell you something.
I lied to you.
I lied to you.
Manticore will always find you.
멘티코어라는 이름만 남긴 타겟의 자폭으로 기차는 강으로 추락하고 맙니다. 그리고 얼마 뒤 이름 모를 병원에서 깨어난 메이슨.
What happened?
There was an explosion on board a passenger train. You watched the show in Letsino. Do you remember being on that train?
No.
Do you remember your name?
Yeah, it's...
It appears you're suffering from a retrograde amnesia which affects your memories. Do you know a man named Kyle Conroy?
No. Who's that?
You. The American consulate can't find any relatives or records of you. It's like you're a ghost.
메이슨은 기억을 완전히 잃어버리고 말았습니다. 그로부터 8년 뒤 기억을 잃은 메이슨은 위장 신분인 카일의 삶을 살게 됐고 운명처럼 만난 애비와 결혼해 핸드릭스라는 귀여운 딸도 낳았지만
I was terrified of what I'd find.
여전히 기억을 찾기 위해 상담을 받고 있었는데
So if you're so afraid of what you'll find, why are you here now?
So when my daughter asks me, see, I got nothing to give her. And she should know. You know, when they pulled me from the water, I had a wedding ring, and these past few months I've been having these visions of a woman. If I can find out who she is, maybe I can find out who I am.
I think the best course would be to swab your DNA.
그 시각 미국 국무부 장관을 초대한 영국의 외교관 달리아.
8 years ago, when Citadel fell, it buried its trove of secrets in a tungsten-fortified case. Secrets that may have included black site location, even nuclear codes. And I've just learned that your CIA recently discovered the whereabouts of this Citadel X case.
I don't work for Manticore anymore.
Now we're calling in our favor.
멘티코어 요원이었던 달리아는 국무부 장관을 협박해 시타델의 1급 정보가 담긴 일명 X케이스의 위치를 알아내고
They found the Citadel X case.
충실한 부하인 쌍둥이 형제 다빗과 앤더스를 호출합니다.
I want you to retrieve it.
Understood.
그렇게 쌍둥이 형제가 곧장 미국으로 향하고 얼마 뒤 X 케이스는 그들의 손에 넘어가고 맙니다.
Brothers have the X case, but the lock is heavily encrypted. They headed to New York to decode it.
Our families will be pleased.
한편 과거 멘티코어의 공격에서 살아남은 지원 요원 버나드는 음지에서 그들을 추적해 나가고 있었는데
Okay, just you and me. Why, your Manticore pal, Dahlia Archer, had a meeting with Secretary McCullough yesterday at her home.
She wanted the location of Citadel's X case.
Why?
Nuclear codes.
그때 생존한 시타델 요원을 발견했다는 알림이 뜹니다. 과거를 찾던 메이슨이 자신의 DNA를 전산망에 등록한 거죠.
I love you.
메이슨은 여전히 이름 모를 여성에 관한 기억으로 심란한 상황. 오늘따라 잠을 설치던 메이슨은 지푸라기라도 잡는 심정으로 사건 당시 물품들을 확인해 보려는데 그 순간
Hey.
그 안의 정체는 버나드였습니다. 기억이 없는 메이슨은 강제로 끌려갈 수밖에 없었죠. 얼마 뒤 메이슨은 버나드의 안전가옥에서 깨어납니다.
Who are you people?
You've been searching to find out who you are? What happened to you 8 years ago? Well, look no further.
두 사람이 함께 있는 사진이었죠.
Okay, logging agent Mason Kane. Mission scan initializing.
시타델 시스템에 접속한 메이슨은 자신의 정체를 알게 됩니다.
So what were we? CIA? Special Forces?
It was Citadel.
버나드는 지금까지 있었던 일을 메이슨에게 설명해 줍니다.
An unknown agent who took a list of all of Citadel spies and transferred it into the wrong hands.
They tried to kill me on that train.
I've been searching for 8 years for survivors. This is who we're fighting against.
Manticore?
Manticore emerged 8 years ago with the assault on Citadel, when they murdered thousands of Citadel spies. Manticore was founded by 8 of the wealthiest families from around the world, who built their own spy network to manipulate world events and amass wealth and power. And with Citadel slaughtered and Mindtech in their hands, they wreaked havoc.
You didn't bring us here to keep us safe.
I brought you here because I very much need your help. Early this morning, Citadel's X case containing all our secrets was stolen by 2 Manticore agents. And now, those 2 agents are on their way to New York to tear open that case. And if they succeed, Manticore will have, among other things,
Even nuclear codes.
Nuclear codes.
all the codes to every nuclear weapon in the world.
The fuck is wrong with you?
There's my guy.
X케이스를 되찾기 위해선 메이슨의 압도적인 무력이 필요했습니다.
I mean, you did have a partner.
그를 괴롭히던 기억 속 그 여자입니다.
You help me get that case, I'll help you remember who you were and who she was. Nadia sent a Mayday call the day that Citadel fell, and then after that she went dark. If Manticore gets those nuclear codes, they will not hesitate to kill you, to kill Abby, and to kill Hendrix. Do you want to save your family? Come with me.
A spy. You're a spy. You can't even remember to put the toilet seat down. Now you're Jason Bourne.
It makes sense, Abby. Look at all my scars.
이 모습을 보는 버나드와 그의 아내가 의미심장한 대화를 나눕니다.
She should know.
Unless you want me to tell them what you did.
Kyle, it's time.
그렇게 버나드는 메이슨과 함께 뉴욕으로 향하고
There's a secret Manticore tech lab on the top floor of that tower. Put this on.
버나드의 해킹으로 보안 검색까지 뚫어내는데
Anders Silge is decrypting the X case's lock in the lab right now. His brother Davik is en route to pick it up. Take a left. I know the lab is straight ahead, but take a left. Trust me. Change of plan.
I thought you said Manticore was good at this.
You're being followed. All right, come on, pick up the pace. Get behind the column on your right. This is it. Go. That guard probably called for backup. No.
5th key block removed.
They've disarmed another key block. Behind you. You're gonna want to get his gun. Yep. See? Just like riding a bike. It's all coming back to you. You need to get the case. We're running out of time. I need you to get one sharp hit to the Adam's apple.
The case.
Yep. I'm not gonna ask you again. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Just waiting on a friend. Right. Okay. Thank you.
That's impossible.
그렇게 너무나 쉽게 X케이스를 되찾아온 메이슨.
How did I do that?
See that buckle? Put your wrist over it.
Mason King.
Tier 1 operator identified.
The X case is the only tech that can locate any Citadel agents who might still be alive. We can use this to take down Manticore.
Authorities believe a car bomb was detonated in the underground parking garage of this apartment complex in Belgrade, home to the many United Nations workers and their families. We're hearing there are dozens of casualties.
Something happened. We got breached and the case was stolen.
I am a broker. The families will be pleased. For the families who run Manticore. So, when something goes awry, like someone stealing the X case that we've been looking for 8 fucking years, everybody puts a bounty on my head if I don't fix it.
It wasn't the CIA. It was Mason Kane.
Mason Kane is dead.
I saw him. He's alive.
Bring me the case. And Kane.
Fuck is he?
So we take the case back to Wyoming, figure out what to do next.
Can't go back to Wyoming. Because the minute you went into that building and showed your face, they knew you were alive. And right now, every Manticore agent around the world is looking for you. And they're gonna follow you to Wyoming, and they're gonna kill you and your wife and your daughter. That's why. Listen, the X case was just the beginning. Manticore is readying for something cataclysmic, an end game.
The only way I get to see my family again is if we stop them.
Precisely.
What's your big plan?
I
Well,
don't
this bad
know.
guy.
Okay? But Mason will. Stored in that case are his memories. Every Citadel spy has a chip placed in their temporal lobe. That chip uploads your memories to a Citadel server. If we can no longer trace you, we backstop you.
Erase our memories.
그 사이 앤더슨 형제는 위치 추적 신호를 따라 메이슨 일행을 거의 따라잡았습니다.
But that vial right there, the one with your name on it, it can give you your memories back.
Got him. There he is.
Be careful with it. It's the only one. Just press it into your neck and the fluid runs into your bloodstream.
Are you fucking with me?
Don't you trust me?
그때
Do it.
Hey, Bernard.
메이슨은 일단 케이스를 들고 무작정 뛰기 시작합니다. 아무 차나 집어탄 메이슨은 차를 몰아 달아나기 시작하고
Track Mason. Find out where he's heading. Something unexpected.
놈들을 따돌린 메이슨은 서둘러 X 케이스를 확인해 봅니다. 메이슨의 기억 물질은 이미 없어진 뒤였고 그 순간 생존 요원 추적 알림이 울리기 시작합니다. 이번 생존 요원은 기억 속 그녀였죠. 잊혀진 기억에 신락 같은 희망을 안고 스페인으로 날아간 메이슨은 추적기에 표시된 식당을 찾아가는데
I'm so sorry.
Señora, está bien.
You're Nadia.
Perdone, I think you have the wrong person.
I don't.
You have a good night. Vale.
8 years ago, Italy.
You remember what happened?
나디아는 메이슨을 인적이 드문 곳으로 데려갑니다.
I just woke up there. He was already dead. It had to be self-defense.
What are you talking about?
I didn't kill him. He was dead.
I'm not the police.
Who the fuck are you?
Top spy. Hot stuff.
그녀 또한 기억을 잃은 듯합니다.
Catch.
Did you just throw a knife at me?
I thought you were gonna catch it.
의심만 더 사버린 메이슨은 X 케이스를 그녀에게 들이대고
Nadia Fink. Tier 1 operator identified.
Right?
That's
You. That vial there, that one with your name on it, you inject it into your neck. It'll bring back your memories.
하지만 어느새 코앞까지 두 사람을 추격해온 다빅.
I mean, you've never seen my face before? 'Cause I've seen yours for months.
바로 그때
Ron, that was a warning shot. Give me the case. Take it down.
I'm gonna put it down. I'm putting it down.
Put it
Putting
down.
Come on.
Stay down. Not your fucking sin. Hey, look at me. Remember my brother? He says hello.
칼빵을 맞자 분노가 폭발해버리는 다빅.
What's wrong with you? Huh? Why aren't you fighting back?
You're here for me, asshole.
Yeah, that's right, kid.
위기의 순간 나디아의 눈앞에 그녀의 기억 물질이 보이고
you dumb bitch.
모든 기억을 되찾은 나디아는 다빅을 정리하죠. 8년 전 그날 폭발에서 살아남은 나디아는 부상을 입은 채 물가로 떠내려왔고
Citadel's been compromised. All of it. They were killing all of us. I don't have Mason.
I've initiated backstop. We have 2 hours. Make provisions.
길가로 나온 나디아는 행인에게 도움을 요청하지만 극심한 출혈로 정신을 잃고 말았죠. 얼마 뒤 눈을 뜬 나디아는 결박되어 있었습니다.
Avevi un proiettile dentro di te.
C'è un ospedale vicino.
Per fare che? Posso prendermi cura di te qui?
순간을 포착한 나디아가 쎄한 남성을 기습합니다. 그렇게 남성은 그 자리에서 숨을 거뒀고
Backstop commencing.
다시 기억이 초기화되기 시작하자 메모를 남기는 나디아. 그리고 얼마 뒤 모든 기억이 다시 초기화되고 기억을 잃은 나디아가 깨어났을 땐 웬 남자가 눈앞에 죽어 있는데
I just woke up there. He was already dead. It had to be self-defense.
What are you talking about?
I didn't kill him. He was dead.
I'm not the police.
Go to Valencia.
그렇게 스페인으로 도망친 나디아는 지금까지 버티며 생존해왔죠.
You remember?
I remember everything. Mason can never find out.
나디아의 기억 속 두 사람의 관계는 심상치 않았습니다. 그리고
I'm so glad you pulled through. It's always nice to reconnect with an old pal.
살아남은 버나드가 등장하죠.
And this will be fun. You know, I'm exceptionally skilled at getting Citadel agents to tell.
버나드는 맨티코어 요원이자 외교관인 달리아에게 끔찍한 고문을 받고 있었습니다.
We made sure to salvage every piece of Citadel tech that wasn't sabotaged by your spies. Among the delights was a Citadel AI system that tracked uranium levels throughout the world, the whereabouts at any time of all nuclear weapons. You need to tell me the 19-character password to access the system.
Fuck off.
Show him. We're getting close to your family, Bernard. They're in Wyoming, right?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
With Mason Kane's wife and daughter. No.
Even when we worked together all those years ago at the UN, you always had that sociopathic je ne sais quoi about you.
그 시각 버나드의 안전가옥에 숨어있던 에비와 핸드릭스에게 버나드의 아내가 질문을 던지는데
So, how did you and your husband meet?
I was in a bad car accident about 9 years ago. I don't remember it. Traumatic brain injury, and I started memory therapy there. And Kyle was he was in the same program. That's how we met.
기억을 되찾은 나디아는 메이슨을 또 다른 안전가옥으로 이송했죠.
Got it.
메이슨은 가장 궁금했던 질문을 나디아에게 던집니다.
Were we together? Because I couldn't remember anything. Not my name, my family, where I was from. I couldn't remember anything except you.
It was brief. It was nothing.
메이슨을 치료한 나디아는 암호화된 비밀 메신저에 접속하고 누군가와 뜻모를 메시지를 나누는데
Catch a plane back to the States.
나디아가 기억이 없는 메이슨을 미국으로 돌려보내려 하자 메이슨은 그녀에게 X케이스 속 영상을 보여주는데
This is Agent Carter Spence. Manticore is closing in on my location.
This was only 4 months ago. I know where he is.
발두이노라는 포르투갈의 마피아 보스에게서 카터에 관한 정보를 얻을 수 있다는 나디아.
I just have to get close enough to hack his phone to steal his access codes.
그렇게 메이슨이 발두이노에게 투입되고
There's a dead man in my restaurant.
There's a transmitter in that lighter. Keep it as close as possible while I download the data from his phone.
메이슨은 쓸데없는 말을 하며 시간을 끌기 시작합니다. 그때
Nadia, torch for the woman who sold you out, who brought Citadel to its knees. That bitch deserved to die.
What the hell are you talking about?
Upload's almost complete. Start wrapping this up.
Manticore had somebody working on the inside.
An unknown agent who took a list of all of Citadel spies and transferred it into the wrong hand.
It was your girl, Nadia, or at least that is what the whispers say.
Transfer's complete. Get out of there.
순간 발두이노의 아들이 메이슨에게 다가오자
Pointed at Cristiano. Baldwino won't give a shit if you shot him, but his kid?
Shoot him. Calado. Tell him to lower the guns.
그렇게 사지에서 살아나왔지만 나디아가 배신자라는 말은 그의 머리를 완전히 잠식했고
Bernard said the Citadel hit was an inside job. What was he talking about?
If I was working with Manticore, why would I be trying to break into a black site to free a Citadel agent? So, you can either do this with me or get the fuck out.
다음날 달리아는 앤더슨에게 버나드의 고문을 맡기는데
I'm going to get what I want, no matter what.
그러던 그때
Brielle is still alive. What? I'll show you.
그렇게 보여준 사진은 다름 아닌 메이슨의 가족 사진. 설마
And she's married to Mason Kane. I can take you to her.
그 시각 나디아와 메이슨은 발두이누에게서 빼낸 정보를 통해 카터가 잡힌 곳을 알아냈고 적들을 물리친 두 사람은 카터가 잡혀있는 곳으로 진입합니다.
Carter. Mason. Let's go. Stay back. You did this.
과거 시타들이 몰락하기 전 시타델 최고의 에이스 메이슨이 새 임무를 배정받기 위해 미국 지부에 도착합니다.
Hassan has created a new virus. His syndicate's going to release it in the U.S. within days.
Our nearest Tier 1 will be on site. They've been working as a mole with Hassan and planted the virus for easy retrieval. Our newest agent will assist you.
How will I know them?
Oh, you'll know.
Package in hand, I have the virus.
비밀 연구소에 단독으로 침투한 메이슨은 바이러스를 탈취하는 데 성공하지만
I'm picking up missiles incoming in your position. No. What the hell are you doing? Catching a ride.
수많은 적들에게 쫓기는 신세가 되어버렸고
Sniper for you, Alpha. Seeing 2 vehicles on the ground. Alpha, you got 3 broken ribs and internal bleeding.
결국 적들에게 완전히 포위당하고 마는데 그때 등장한 요원이 바로
That's her. That's our new agent.
포위망을 1점 돌파하며 탈출을 시작하는 나디아와 메이슨. 그렇게 극적으로 위험 지역에서 벗어나는 데 성공하며 그날부로 두 사람은 파트너가 되어 임무를 수행해 왔습니다.
My mother was Citadel. I joined 5 years ago. Came up through Bravo team.
Must have been hard growing up with a spy for a mother.
Must have been hard growing up with no mother at all.
실력파의 자존심 센 것도 비슷한 두 사람은 초고난도 미션을 성공시키며 급속도로 가까워집니다.
Can I trust you?
Always.
I'm bringing a new Tier 1 to the team. Plus we need her.
나디아의 전폭적인 지지를 등에 업고 팀에 합류한 요원은 바로
Mason, meet Celeste Graham.
You're the person that saved her life.
I am.
기억을 잃은 메이슨이 결혼한 애비였습니다.
She can handle it.
세 사람에게 주어진 미션은 다빗과 앤더슨 형제가 개발 중인 신무기를 탈취하는 것.
Davik is the muscle. Anders is the brain. Cambridge grad who's been developing war technology and selling it to the highest bidder.
We recently retrieved a partial schematic of Anders' latest creation. He likes to call it the Oz Key.
If he completes it, the Oz Key would be able to hack an entire nation's infrastructure. Transit, emergency services, army, weapons.
다빗과 앤더슨 형제에 접근할 사람이 필요한 상황. 셀레스트가 자원하지만 메이슨은 아직 그녀가 믿업지 않았고
She has a twin brother, just like Anders.
David?
결국 셀레스트의 투입은 승낙하지만 당부사항은 많았습니다.
A great spy needs to tell the truth. But first, you have to disappear.
We got an engineer over here. Rio.
I'm honest.
You need to look in the mirror and see an entirely different person looking back. Don't worry about making him fall in love with you. You need to fall in love with him. Find things to love about him, so it'll feel real.
그렇게 메소드 연기를 하며 앤더스와 사랑에 빠져버린 셀레스트.
The hardest part is going to be remembering why you're there, that it's not actually your life. Your mission is to gather all intel on the Oz Key. I will keep you tethered. Every week you check in with me. Call me. I will remind you what is real, what is true.
하지만 얼마 뒤 셀레스트의 연락은 두절됐고
No check-ins, no clickbacks to any of my flair. Carter picked up some anomalies.
What anomalies?
I've been digging deeper into her life. Her twin brother David, he's got a serious gambling problem. He's holed up somewhere because some very dangerous people are after him.
So?
She can sell the Oz Key for a lot of money.
그 시각 셀레스트는 완성된 오즈키를 가짜와 바꾸고 있었는데
Odd place to store a purse.
다빗에게 발각당합니다. 메이슨이 보낸 작전팀이 진입하고 셀레스트는 다빗을 제압하죠.
Celeste?
She's alive. Davik disappeared.
The Oz Key?
Ops chief said they couldn't find it.
그때 메이슨에게 전송되는 메시지 하나. 결국 앤더슨은 잡았지만 다빗과 오즈키는 사라진 상황. 메시지를 본 메이슨은 셀레스트를 신문하기 시작합니다.
Where is the Oz Key? Are you fucking kidding me?
I told you it was in my go bag.
Odd place to store a purse.
Your go bag was empty. For the last 3 months, you've missed every one of your live drops. What happened in there?
Go to hell.
자신이 믿는 셀레스트를 의심하며 압박하자 나디아는 메이슨을 만류하지만 메이슨은 더 강도 높게 셀레스트를 취조합니다.
But you sell the Oz Key and you can save his life. Pay the bounty on his head.
My brother has nothing to do with this.
Attack unit armed system.
System armed.
Stop.
Tell me where the Oski is.
I don't know. I really don't fucking know.
Attack unit acquire target.
Stop.
Target acquired.
Last chance. Attack unit.
Enough!
나디아의 만류로 셀레스트의 동생은 목숨을 건지지만 셀레스트를 어떻게 처리할지가 고민인데
Anders is awake. You should interview him. I'll do it.
나디아가 자리를 비우자 메이슨은 국장에게 자신의 의견을 전합니다.
We backstop her.
I can't authorize the backstop.
You don't have to. We do it off-site.
Command hasn't even approved backstop safety procedures yet.
She knows everything about Citadel. You're gonna let her out in the world with that information? She'll sell us out to the highest bidder. You want to be known as the director or let a mole take down the agency? Look, if what she says turns out to be true, we'll bring her back, reactivate her memories like nothing happened.
And what if she did it?
Then she stays backstopped, goes to prison. But Citadel's secrets are safe.
결국 국장은 백스톱을 승인하고
Just to reshape your cornea and the ridges of your fingertips to help you hide. You won't be Celeste Graham anymore. You'll be someone else.
그렇게 메이슨은 셀레스트를 속이고 미완성 상태인 백스톱을 감행하죠.
She resettled? Made the call myself. She's en route to the safe house.
셀레스트를 아끼던 나디아에게는 이 사실을 숨겼고 얼마 뒤 버나드를 찾아간 메이슨은
We need to destroy Celeste's vial. Erase her memories permanently.
Are you sure that Celeste is a mole?
I am certain.
버나드의 만류를 뿌리치고 셀레스트의 기억물질까지 파괴해버리죠.
Carter told me Celeste has been relocated to Oregon. Thanks for having her back, Mason.
결국 메이슨은 연인 나디아에게도 사실을 숨겼고 얼마 뒤 메이슨에게 카터가 찾아오는데
And you don't think Celeste was the one that took it either?
Excuse me?
I am the only one with access to all of Citadel's encrypted communications. I have known you a decade, brother. I know your behavior patterns, how you think. And I found that a cloaked order was given to the chief of the ops team by a Tier 1 agent in secret and against protocol. Ordered the chief to conceal the Oski and deliver it to them on their return. And I know you know who that agent was.
Stop there, Carter.
Nadia gave the cloaked order that you backstop Celeste so she couldn't give up any Citadel secrets. But I think you did that to stop us from finding out that she didn't have any. She was clean. You needed to keep suspicion on Celeste to have her take the fall.
Your go bag was empty. For the last 3 months, she'd missed every one of your live drops.
So you backstopped her, erased her memories. Not because she was a threat to Citadel, but because she would be a threat to Nadia. Because you are protecting Nadia. Because even though you love her, you think Nadia might be a mole. Not you. Her.
한편 사랑하는 브리엘이 살아있다는 소식을 들은 앤더슨은 버나드를 풀어주기로 마음먹습니다. 하지만
You fucking bitch.
저항하던 앤더슨은 그 자리에서 사망하고
I admired you for creating a safer world until I found out firsthand that the most dangerous weapon of all wasn't nuclear arms or biological weapons. It was Citadel.
Thomas would be so ashamed of what you've become.
그 말을 듣자 화난 표정으로 버나드에게 다가오는 달리아.
You're not fit to speak his name. This is his legacy as much as it is mine. Disarmament.
You killed all of those agents.
But I can't take all the credit.
You did this.
It was one of your own who came to me, hurt and lied to.
What did I do? Not you.
The Citadel spy who finally saw the truth of the agency and betrayed you.
Her.
다시 9년 전 함께 임무를 수행 중인 메이슨과 나디아.
Any news on the Oski?
It disappeared with Davik Silj.
If he's been a ghost this long, he's not looking for Celeste anymore.
I'm sure she's happy for the time off.
이번 임무에서 두 사람은 부부로 위장했죠.
And there's this.
Bernard really went all out on our cover.
What if it's not from Bernard?
Is this some part you're playing?
Not with you. With you, I'm me. Marry me.
메이슨은 나디아를 진심으로 사랑하고 있었습니다. 이번 청혼 역시 그의 진심이었죠.
Because even though you love her, you think Nadia might be a mole.
대답을 미룬 나디아는 셀레스트의 근황부터 살피는데 진실을 알게 된 나디아는 당장 버나드를 찾아가고
You're gonna answer one question. Did he know?
그렇게 메이슨이 거짓말을 해왔다는 걸 알게 된 나디아는 곧바로 메이슨을 찾아가는데
Bernard backstopped Celeste.
What?
Did you know?
No.
How could you, Mason?
I'm sorry. I did it for you. I know you took the Oz key.
Oh, Mason.
And I have never asked what you did with it or who you sold it to or who you're working for.
Why?
Because I didn't want to know. So if I knew the truth, I'm scared of what I have to do to you.
If you'd asked me, I would have told you the truth.
So did you turn?
Destroyed it. No one can be trusted with that kind of power. Not even Citadel. Reactivate her.
하지만 이미 셀레스트의 기억 물질은 메이슨이 파괴했죠.
We need to destroy Celeste's vial. I wiped them from the system.
What?
For you, so the blame would stay with her.
Kill the person who
Protect you because I love you.
You don't love me. If you think I needed you to do that for me, you don't know me.
You never gave me the chance.
I have given this everything.
This isn't about Celeste, is it? You were always looking for a reason to leave.
Oh, that's some bullshit.
You always wanted a way to end this, to walk out. You know how I ended up a spy? I was 5 years old and my dad died and my mom left like I didn't exist. Now, Citadel gave me an identity. Not existing was an asset. They saw me. I met you and I knew who I was. You already knew who you were. You had a mom and a dad and a life. You became a spy so you could hide.
What am I hiding from, Mason?
From yourself. So you never have to show your real self to anyone. And I don't know why. I don't know why you're so fucking terrified of being seen.
결국 나디아는 메이슨에게 작별을 고합니다.
You can't trust her. You were working with Manticore. You were with a known terrorist, Rahi Gunbir, just days before Citadel fell.
Shit. Kyle, you want to save your family? I suggest we get the fuck out of here.
한편 버나드와 메이슨의 가족이 숨어있는 안전가옥을 이제 거의 찾아낸 달리아는
Target coordinates confirmed.
Don't do this. There are kids in there.
Didn't stop Citadel in Belgrade.
Do I have permission to execute?
미사일이 안전가옥을 정조준하자 이를 지켜보던 버나드의 멘탈은 부서져갔고
Okay.
결국 핵무기 발사 코드까지 불어버리고 마는데
Catalogue the location of all Russian smart subs, nuclear grade, and clean up in Wyoming.
Don't fucking do this.
It's just an eye for an eye.
We gotta go. What? They found us.
For what you people did to me.
Come on!
바로 그때 메이슨과 나디아가 카터를 데리고 탈출했다는 소식이 달리아에게 보고되고
We intercepted a communique between Nadia Singh and Rahi Gambhir yesterday. There's a chess piece I think he's been holding for her. The minute you have it in possession.
We'll do what we can.
Oh, and Davik, your brother was killed. Bernard Orlick got free and shot him dead before we could restrain him. So...
그 시각 필사적으로 달아나는 메이슨 일행. 하지만 나디아에 대한 메이슨과 카터의 불신은 이제 극에 달해갔고
None of us are as clean as we want to be, and you know that. And you're gonna open me up after what you did to Celeste? You may not remember, but I do.
Everyone thought Celeste was a double agent, but I knew it was you.
You're wrong!
A year before Citadel fell, you left Tier 1 and disappeared. Mason found out you were in Valencia, off-grid, with Rahi Gambhir. You two were working for Manticore. You planned the attack against Citadel, didn't you?
I need to tell you something.
I lied to you.
I lied to you.
What was in Valencia?
I have a daughter. A fucking insurgent. I had a child and I had to keep her secret because that was the only way to keep her safe.
Is she?
Yes.
Did I know?
Because you didn't deserve to know.
셀레스트 일로 나디아가 메이슨을 떠나고 얼마 뒤 그녀는 자신이 메이슨의 아이를 임신했다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
This is a surprise.
Something's happened.
What?
I'm pregnant. I need to get out.
Does Mason know?
And he doesn't need to. I don't trust him.
그 길로 나디아는 테러리스트 라이 감비르를 찾아갔습니다.
Let's get you to Valencia. I'll be waiting for you.
Thank you.
What are you gonna do about Kane?
Mason can never find out.
라이의 도움으로 발렌시아에 몸을 숨긴 나디아는 무사히 그녀의 딸을 출산할 수 있었죠.
And I haven't seen her since she was 6 months old, 8 years ago.
All this time. Who has she been with?
Rahi Gambhir, right? The terrorist.
He's my father.
그녀의 어머니는 시타델 요원, 그리고 그녀의 아버지는 테러리스트였던 거죠. 아이를 낳은 나디아는 스타델의 작전을 위해 이탈리아로 복귀하려 했습니다.
Why did you say yes?
He deserves to know. He deserves to at least know about her.
그리고 다시 돌아올 거란 표식으로 아이에게 목걸이를 선물했죠.
Mommy loves you, Asha.
기억을 잃기 전 간신히 써남긴 건 소중한 딸의 위치와 이름이었습니다. 그 순간 낯선 차량이 떼지어 몰려오기 시작합니다.
Mr. Conroy.
같은 시각 달리아는 러시아 국적의 핵잠수함을 찾아내지만 문제가 하나 있었는데
But we can't access it.
No, I know there's an override to the code.
I have someone who would like a word with you. I promise you, no harm will come to either you or your associates.
Linked to a sole biometric print from a mission years ago. Only Mason Kane has access to those nukes. I've been anxious to speak with you for a very long time. I have a proposition. There's a submarine somewhere in the Pacific. It has something I seek. 5 somethings. To launch tomorrow. And you're going to help me retrieve them.
Why would I do that?
나디아가 딸 아샤에게 걸어준 목걸이였습니다.
Because I have your daughter.
감히 거부할 수 없는 제안이었죠.
It's getting late, so I'll be brief. Within the hour, our stealth jet will fly you over the Pacific. My man Davik will accompany you.
이제 메이슨은 바다 깊은 곳 핵잠수함 내부로 침투해 핵폭탄 5개를 전부 빼내와야 합니다. 특수요원 시절의 기억은 없지만 메이슨만이 할 수 있는 미션이었습니다.
Installed his biolock. He's the only one that can access the sub.
8년 전 러시아를 견제하기 위해 핵잠수함에 암호를 걸어두려는 작전.
Once you've landed on the sub, you want to look for the control module on the sail by the antenna array. You want to place this between the main and the backup power relays. It's already coded to your endocrine system, so you'll be able to bypass the sub security if you ever need to make a return visit.
하지만 당시 메이슨은 나디아와의 이별 후 제정신이 아니었고
Mason, are you ready? Ready.
잠수함 위에 무사히 착지해 임무를 수행하던 메이슨은 갑자기 통신을 해제하는데 메이슨은 자신의 생체 정보를 비밀번호로 설정해버립니다.
Was a frequency glitch. Are you receiving? Yeah, we can hear you now.
What the hell did you do out there? You went dark on us.
Dead Hand is locked down.
Then why doesn't Citadel have operational control of the missiles?
Because I do. I used a secondary protocol interrupt. Only I can unlock it. I'll give it to you right now if you tell me where she is.
하지만 국장은 결국 나디아의 위치를 알려주지 않았고
And if you're not careful, you're gonna lose yourself too.
그로부터 8년 뒤 현재의 메이슨이 다시 핵잠수함으로 향합니다. 그렇게 다비까지 함께 잠수함 침투 미션이 시작됩니다. 기억이 없는 메이슨은 행동 하나하나가 엉성했죠. 다빅의 도움으로 간신히 잠수함 위로 올라온 메이슨.
The access point is ahead. Put your thumb on the reader.
그렇게 자신만이 해제할 수 있는 암호에 접근하는데 하지만
That's all I need you for.
메이슨을 날려버린 다빅이 홀로 잠수함 내부로 진입합니다.
I'm heading down there.
Whoa, stand down.
맨티코어 요원들을 빠르게 정리한 나디아가 잠수함으로 날아가기 시작하고
Davik just started the dead hand launch sequence. You need to get the cores now.
하지만 다빅은 달리아와 다른 생각을 가지고 있었습니다.
Did you really think you could kill my brother without any repercussions?
5 dead hand missiles. Unlock the magical family compounds.
I want a seat at the table.
Give me that, and I give you your warheads.
You understand that we've hacked the steering mechanism on that ship. I would send that submarine plummeting inverted into the depths of the Mariana Trench, where you would be vaporized by the very weapons of mass destruction with which you have so woefully tried to threaten me. Goodbye, Davik.
Didn't go the way you wanted?
그렇게 등장한 나디아가 메이슨 대신 핵탄두를 챙기기 위해 발사실로 들어가지만 중요한 문제가 남아있었습니다.
You gotta hit 106 degrees to match the launch room temp, or the system will detect your heat signature and lock down the warhead.
발사실에 들어가기 위해선 생명이 위험할 정도로 체온을 올려야만 했고 그러는 사이 정신을 차리는 다빅.
Under 4 minutes to launch. Each missile should deactivate once you remove the cores. Remove all 5 before anything launches, and crisis averts if you don't boil alive beforehand.
That's one.
Take it easy. Now you have to fight back!
tickets for? How much time?
Less than 90 seconds. Kyle, backstop erases your memories, but it doesn't erase your skills.
Your mind may not remember, but your body does.
체온을 무려 41도까지 올린 나디아는 점점 의식을 잃어가기 시작하고
Come on! 5 seconds. Yes. Launch is disabled.
그와 동시에 메이슨도 다빅을 제압하죠.
Kyle, you gotta get to Nadia. She's coding. You've got a vial of adrenaline in your suit.
위기의 순간 메이슨이 아드레날린을 주입하고 두 사람은 무사히 잠수함에서 탈출합니다. 그리고 얼마 뒤 아샤와 핵코어를 거래하기 위해 발렌시아로 향하는 두 사람.
And where are the nuclear cores?
They have the cores with them.
Good. We get the cores. We can begin the final phase.
I hope this pleases the families.
Your associate Davik nearly threatened our entire mission. Let's get the cores and see how pleased they are with you.
I got you.
Where's my girl?
Now, the cores.
Do not hand over that child until you've verified the cause. If anything goes awry, drop her.
I got a shot.
Están codificados.
Unlock the weapons, or she dies.
I don't know how, but I'll find a way.
You think I'm bluffing?
Carter.
Take it.
가까스로 딸을 잡아낸 메이슨. 그리고 나디아는 무려 8년 만에 딸과 재회하게 되죠.
I'm so sorry.
그렇게 세 사람은 미국으로 돌아가게 됩니다.
Where did they take Nana?
I don't know, sweetheart. I want to find him.
Will he be okay?
He's gonna find it.
한편 거대 프로젝트를 말아먹으며 조직에 숙청당할 위기에 놓인 달리아는 자신의 거처를 불태우며 자취를 감추었고 얼마 뒤 메이슨과 나디아, 카터와 아샤는 폐허가 된 시타들의 본부에 도착합니다. 그리고 그곳에는 버나드의 가족들과 함께 도망쳐온 에비와 핸드릭스가 있었습니다. 나디아는 이 상황을 그저 바라볼 수밖에 없었죠.
No, is that his wife?
Everyone, this is Abby and Hendrix.
Hi.
게다가 이곳에는
Oral Academy created a backup server, so I recoded it to your genetic profile.
놀랍게도 메이슨의 기억물질 백업 자료가 남아 있었습니다.
Why?
Because I don't know who I am.
Yes, you do. You're Kyle Conroy. You're a father. You're my husband.
That's not gonna change.
결국 메이슨은 자신의 잃어버린 기억을 주사하게 되고
Up you get.
30년 전 세르비아, 메이슨은 폭탄 테러로 아버지를 잃었습니다.
I miss him.
I miss him too.
Is my mom coming back soon?
Don't go focusing on things you can't change.
I was 5 years old and my dad died and my mom left like I didn't exist.
시타들은 세상에 홀로 남은 메이슨을 거두어 주었죠.
Now Citadel gave me an identity. Not existing was an asset. They saw me.
자신을 첩보원이 아닌 메이슨 그 자체로 봐준 나디아. 쉽게 가질 수 없는 나디아에 메이슨의 집착은 점점 심해져 갔고
What the hell did you do out there?
나디아의 위치를 찾기 위해 시타들의 임무까지 저버렸지만 국장은 나디아의 위치를 철저히 비밀로 붙였습니다.
And if you're not careful, you're gonna lose yourself too.
그날 이후 며칠 뒤 메이슨은 버나드를 찾아갔습니다.
What am I looking at?
That's your daughter. Well, I went to that address in Spain that you gave me, and Nadia was there.
That's why Nadia left? To have a baby?
I thought you might want that too. It's a round-trip ticket to Spain.
So I fly to Valencia, then what? Beg to be part of this kid's life?
Yeah.
Clearly she's made her decision.
You were so desperate to find her, and now you're not going to go?
I appreciate the advice. I'm full up of things to fight for. Thanks for the intel on Nadia, though.
What are you thanking me for? I only looked where you told me to look. How did you know where she was?
모든 기억이 돌아온 메이슨은 혼란스러운 표정으로 자리를 벗어납니다.
I need to find someone.
나디아의 행방을 찾아 메이슨은 달리아를 찾아가죠.
Why is a spy coming to see a diplomat to find a woman?
She's my wife.
Then I'll find her for you.
Thank you.
Do you love her? It's devastating to lose the person you love most. I woke up from a dream when the first explosion hit. He was next to me, Thomas, already in flames. They grafted from every part of me, and it was like they reorganized me until I became another woman altogether, and yet this different woman still carries on the same awful memories.
After it happened, why didn't you go home?
I wasn't the same person any longer.
Was he yours any longer? Am I still yours, mother?
그렇습니다.
There's my point. This is what they do, Citadel. They take the people we love most.
They didn't take her.
No, I didn't mean her, love. I meant your father. They said it was a far-right Serbian terror cell that set off 2 car bombs, led by a man.
Stankovic, I know.
I met a former diplomat in Serbia who, drunk one night, tells me that the ballistics report from that awful day revealed that it wasn't a car bomb that destroyed that building, but 3 air missiles. Stankovic didn't have the resources for drone strikes, so I looked a little deeper, and wouldn't you know, there was a communique between Citadel and NATO stating Citadel's intent to launch airstrikes on a Serbian terror cell. But the thing is, they had the wrong coordinates. So instead of decimating a terrorist's compound, they killed 157 men, women, children, and infants, all of them UN workers and their families.
They wouldn't.
Well, then how do you explain the documents and missives and confessions that Citadel blackmailed NATO, the CIA, the UN, all to cover up the bombings? They knew Mason. Everyone knew. And yet the world let an unchecked, amoral, murderous spy agency get away with taking the man I loved, for me to watch as he lay burning to death with you in the other room. But you can stop it, Mason. You have access to Citadel's secrets. We can finally get justice for your father, for you. How many more times, Mason, are they going to get away with taking the people we love before we do something? I've just transferred the list. All Citadel agents, real identities, whereabouts. Take them out.
I lied to you.
스타들을 배신한 내부자는 메이슨, 바로 자신이었습니다.
Do you remember?
I don't know.
시타델의 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 화려한 파티장에 초대받지 않은 불청객 하나가 당당히 걸어 들어옵니다.
Invitation. Got it right here, my guy.
VIP only from here, buddy.
Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck is that, Maxie?
Sit down, Bunny.
Fine.
Who the fuck are you?
다짜고짜 전부 쓸어버린 남자는
You speak American? Now, listen here, you fucking parasite. 2 months ago, you smuggled cargo out of the U.S. paid for by Paulo Braga.
Fuck you. He lives outside Marseille.
And when did he have you transport?
A man.
Orlik. He'll come in handy.
한편 프랑스의 한 비밀 저택에서는 의문의 과학자들이 한 남자의 뇌에 제어칩을 이식하고 있는데
What's your name?
Arnaud Durand.
Please tell me their names, Arnaud.
Raphael, Maël, and Louis.
Bravo.
I can feel something in my head.
A receiver. Something we're gonna write onto your brain.
수술이 성공적으로 끝나자마자 이들은 곧바로 끔찍한 인체 실험에 돌입하기로 하고
We're all set, Mr. Braga.
Bring him.
First things, he's ready to go.
Now let's see how truly brilliant you are.
You don't take on my family.
Mais laissez-moi, putain!
악랄한 보스 브라가는 뇌를 조종하는 이 칩의 성능을 시험해 볼 생각인데
They've been stealing oranges from my farm. We can't have that. Go on.
조종당해 자신의 형제들을 쏴 죽였지만 이내 실험체는 다시 의식을 되찾고
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
Because you fucked it up!
There's a chip in his head. You just shot him in his head.
Shit. Knife. It's still good. Don't try to fuck me again. I'm closing in on your friends as we speak.
한편 모습을 감췄던 나디아는 딸 아샤와 함께 독일의 한 아파트에서 숨어 지내는 중인데
Take that wig off.
Mango.
Try it. It's delicious.
Is that where they took Grandpa?
No.
He called you the bravest person he knew.
그때 갑자기 바깥의 소음이 뚝 끊기며 엄습해오는 불길한 직감. 그 순간 한편 주인공 메이슨은 스웨덴의 외딴 숲속 집에서 아내 애비와 숨어 지내고 있었는데
I want to see Hendrix. I have been very patient. I want to see my daughter. I need to hold her.
So the best thing for Hendrix is to be with Orla's family.
Nadia's got Asha with her.
And she shouldn't.
Needs their mother.
Hendrix is fine!
애비는 딸과 함께 살고 싶어 했지만 위험을 우려한 메이슨은 반대하는 중이었고
I had a vial shit shot in my head. Everything that was Mason is now inside me. His instincts, his desires prove that to you that I am Kyle.
빌런 브라가에게 협박당해 강제로 기술을 개발하던 천재 과학자 올릭은 탈출 기회를 호시탐탐 노리는데
What do we have here? Here. No one does their best work on an empty stomach. I need my assassin in 10 days.
I don't know what to tell you.
And once you embrace the truth, your purpose becomes clear.
You're an enlightened Gen Zer.
Humanity has an expiration date.
Nobility is so thick in here, you could cut it with a plastic spoon.
I need a programmable assassin by next week. I'm off to Paris till tomorrow.
얼마 뒤 브라가가 아들과 함께 프랑스로 떠나자 마침내 저택에 홀로 남겨진 올릭은 순식간에 삼엄한 경비를 뚫고 저택 밖으로 탈출하는 데 성공합니다.
You missed one.
그런 올릭을 구하러 나타난 구원투수는 다름 아닌 엘리트 CIA 요원 허치였고
That okay?
Why are you really here, Hutch? I'm trying to get away from Paulo Braga.
I'm gonna team up with you.
You're an idiot.
Lucky for you, I got another car about a mile up the road.
내키진 않지만 올릭은 별수 없이 허치와 함께 움직이기로 합니다.
Are you serious?
It's full of electrolytes and iron. They used to give new moms beer.
And you're driving.
So what did Braga want with you anyway?
He was forcing me to build a mind control program. Basically take away their free will. That's what it is.
So what does an asshole like Paulo Braga want with a mind control device?
He wanted an instant assassin.
So you built this thing for him, huh?
He was going to kill my family.
Okay, time to switch cars.
Now we have two vehicles. There's one there for you, one for me.
This car is tagged, Bernard. I'll find it in no time. Seriously, how are you gonna get out of France? Just face it, you need me. And stopping this Manchurian Candidate thing.
Now, how far is the CIA extraction?
Yeah, the thing is, that's a little tough right now, Bernardo.
You're dark?
Sure.
What did you do?
I didn't do shit.
알고 보니 허치는 본부의 명령도 무시한 채 단독으로 은밀히 움직이는 중이었고, 단둘이서 맨티코어를 등에 업은 브라가를 막을 수 없다 생각한 올릭은 흩어진 팀원들을 다시 소집하기로 결심하는데,
I've got just the person in mind.
한편 독일로 돌아온 나디아는 베테랑 사기꾼 프랭크를 찾아가고,
Anyone comes through this door, shoot them.
Hi, Frankie.
Nadia, I've got a heart condition. What the fuck happened to you? You look like shit.
I need the name of every Manticore agent so I can kill them. I'm not gonna have my daughter on the run every few weeks. You're gonna wipe our identities. You're gonna disappear us like you do.
I'm radioactive. No one will go anywhere near me. A new bloke came in and I did things the old way and...
You seem fine to me.
This isn't mine, you fucking donut. Before you came in and blew it, I'm a shell.
프랭크를 추궁하던 나디아는 믿기 힘든 충격적인 진실을 전해 듣게 됩니다.
You had a mole within Citadel.
What the fuck are you talking about?
His mum told me. I think you know who it is. I think you know because you married him.
Can I trust you?
한편 비밀리에 누군가와의 만남을 시도하던 애비의 정보가 새어나가 버리고, 그날 새벽이 되어서야 메이슨은 저택에서 애비가 사라진 것을 알게 되는데,
Abby!
You good?
How's Hendrix?
You'll see tomorrow.
Carter, thank you so much.
Don't. I owe you.
For what?
For lying to you. He didn't want you to know.
Kyle?
Mason, who you are.
예상치 못한 습격이 시작되며 애비는 위기에 몰렸고, 다행히 메이슨이 때맞춰 트럭을 몰고 들어와 애비를 구해냅니다.
Stay there!
하지만 메이슨이 사투를 벌이는 사이 다른 요원이 애비를 납치해 달아나고 맙니다. 홀로 싸움을 이어가던 메이슨 앞에 나타난 건 다름 아닌 나디아였습니다.
What is wrong with you?
It was you.
Do it.
You gave her all our names, our covers.
I didn't.
You murdered thousands
And
of us.
Citadel murdered my father.
You took 8 years from me. If I see you again, I will kill you.
한편 과학자 올릭은 신분을 숨기기 위해 가짜 여권으로 이름을 바꾸고
You don't know who John Mellencamp is?
I've got a thing for names. Who's in Italy?
An old friend.
I live for one fucking day.
Is that blood on the wood?
Maybe we can replace the floor.
Who throws a grenade after all the men are dead?
Tell me you fucking have something.
And we found a grenade pin.
How could Bernard do this?
We lost the one man who could build what we need. But we have options. Korean hacker, some say better than Orlik.
Put a partner on the Korean while you and I look for Orlik. Who the fuck is that?
That's Mason Kane's wife.
I wish you'd had a luck. He used to say you were the smartest person he knew. I lie to motivate you.
그 사이 올릭과 어츠는 이탈리아에 있는 알렉산드로의 저택에 잠입하고
Metti le mani dove posso vedere. Bernardo.
Ciao.
My wife and kids are upstairs asleep. What are you doing here, Bernardo?
I need you to put out a story for me. If it weren't existential, I would not be here. You wanted to help future generation.
Look, buddy, run the story tomorrow. I'm gonna come back here and shoot you in the dick.
아내를 되찾기 위해 메이슨은 멘티코어의 수장이자 자신의 어머니인 달리아를 찾아갑니다.
Hey, Mom. You look well. For a dead woman. First, I need you to help me find my wife.
Didn't we do this once before? A lot of people died.
에비는 과거 올릭이 감금되었던 곳에 gat혀 있었습니다.
Where am I?
I told you that was from a car accident, yeah?
Who are you?
My name is Joanna Malvern.
I took it off a man who came for me. Need you to decrypt it.
It's an encryption used by the Manticore families.
Is this Paulo Braga, the billionaire?
And your wife, but has already come your way. I guess he found a way out, though. Rats always do. I sort of like the new you.
I still fucking hate the old you.
Braga, Manticore, your friends. You think they'll ever forgive you for what you did to Citadel? You would do well to have family watching your back. We were in the same apartment, heard the same explosion. I've done terrible things to you, but I didn't make you this. And I promise you, you can trust me more than the man who did. Rats. Find a way.
미국인 관광객으로 위장한 올릭이 비행기 추락사고로 사망했다는 가짜 뉴스가 보도된 거죠.
Isn't that your friend?
We gotta go.
올릭은 자신이 사망했다는 가짜 뉴스를 이용해 흩어진 팀원들을 다시 소집할 계획이었고 기사에 숨겨진 의미를 해독한 나디아는 곧장 올릭이 있는 런던으로 날아갑니다.
You look nice.
And you're alive. Why the SOS, Bernard?
After all these years, you still don't trust me, do you?
Okay, guys, we get it. You don't trust each other.
Who's this clown?
Hutch. Jim.
Please tell me what I'm doing here.
Nadia, I know it was him.
He's impossible to trust.
Manticore is going to come after you and your daughter and me and mine. Then what you have to do is you have to kill them first. I need you, Nadia. And if he makes one wrong move, I will fucking kill him myself. Come on.
Orlik said you two were married.
Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you, Boy Scout?
CIA 요원 셀린까지 합류하며 마침내 강력한 팀을 결성한 올릭은 본격적으로 브라가의 폭주를 막기 위한 작전을 준비합니다. 악당 브라가는 러시아 대통령을 암살하고 허수아비를 세워 자신들 반의 새로운 세계 질서를 만들려 했죠.
And we have to find Paolo before he kills Aronov. They can't save Abby without getting to Paolo.
한편 뇌에 이식된 칩을 무력화하기 위해선 전설적인 한국인 해커 에디슨을 반드시 찾아야 하는데
We have to get him before Braga does.
올릭은 에디슨에 관해 알고 있는 프랭크를 직접 찾아가기로 합니다.
I know that guy with Edison. Maybe he can lead us to Edison.
We're the only ones standing in the way of this lunatic.
Well, thank you for coming in, Mr. Braga. I know you're a very busy man. Edgar punched a boy, made him believe to suspend your son for a week.
I think that sounds very fair.
Thank you, Mr. Braga.
Hold still, please. Who else will be punished? Edgar speaks about this boy, Pierre. Edgar says Pierre screams, teases anyone who raises their hand.
Pierre has some learning difficulties that he's working through.
I don't think he should be punished. Yeah, he's poisoning the education of these children. And it was left to my son to restore order. You're meant to keep order, right? It feels like it's you who should be punished. Edgar is suspended for a week, and what will be your punishment? Put it on your fridge.
그러던 중 나디아는 딸 아샤를 안전하게 대피시키기 위해 전직 베테랑 스파이였던 어머니를 찾아가는데
Hi, Ma. Was I somehow unclear when I told you you could never see me again? I did what I did as a mother to protect you.
I'm a spy.
60 seconds. Why are you here?
I need you to keep her safe, at least until I'm back. You're my only choice. Her name is Asha. It's just a matter of a couple of weeks.
My mother's name was Asha.
This is your grandmother.
Call me honey. Nadia, if you fall into trouble and only then you call him.
I love you.
아샤를 위험에 노출시킬 순 없었던 나디아는 어머니에게 딸을 맡겼고
What I tell you, I don't want you anywhere near her.
You need to let me move forward.
There's a way forward for you. You're just too much of a coward to do it.
He does look broke, doesn't he?
Who cares? Come on then. What do you want? It was one job 15 years ago. Edison was a hacker, which is what he did, and then he left. I didn't see his face. He had a bag over his head.
올릭은 에디슨을 찾기 위해 CIA를 털어버리자는 미친 작전을 제안합니다.
What are you saying? You want to break in there? Yeah. It's never going to happen. We can't just walk in there.
We can do this blindfolded.
Yeah, because it'd be very strange to include me in any kind of we, seeing as I'm me. So why would I want to be part of your we?
You're broke, and I'm hiring. I understand that you're a master in the art of accruing compromising information. I need dirt on people.
Cheers.
Put the gun away.
돈다발로 프랭크를 포섭하는 데 성공합니다.
36 years in the service, no nobility. What I said was there's no nobility.
It's not just about nobility. Very soon, they're going to realize they can't have former spies running around with institutional knowledge.
All right. Fucking cheek.
Can we really trust Oleg? J'aime pas leur énergie. Là, ici.
그렇게 작전을 위해 팀을 꾸리긴 했지만 올릭은 여전히 동료들에게 신뢰받지 못하는 상황.
Pleased to meet you.
You're being assigned a new level of responsibility at the agency.
Trigger warning, Gen Z.
I'm a millennial.
Seamus Palace, Lithuania.
Is this the work of a terrorist?
This is the work of your new partner.
Oh, he is an A+ asshole. He's a maniac.
Menace. He's very effective, very hard to rein in. That's where you come in.
So I help him stay on mission.
과거 CIA에서는 통제불능인 허치의 억제기로 사용하기 위해 셀린을 파트너로 고용했었고 일단 정보가 가장 많은 프랭크의 지휘 아래 본격적인 작전이 시작되는데
In front of you all is a mark.
Have a lovely day.
Pleasure as always.
She's in.
Okay.
그렇게 사전 준비를 마친 팀원들은
Can I help you?
We're already being helped.
허치와 셀린은 나디와 프랭크를 넘겨주는 조건으로 복직을 요구하며 CIA 본부로 진입하고
I've also got a gun. What are you doing?
I will shoot your pasty ass face. Shut the fuck up. I have a daughter and I need to get her out. And I will make you a trade.
Give me Bantam and cash.
Last time I saw you, Bantam, you'd had too many edibles. You were freaking out in the corner. Remember that?
To what do we owe this visit, Hutch?
I've been on what you might call a little self-directed mission. Nadia Singh and Frank Sharp in hand, all wrapped up for you. You're welcome. So what have you got for me?
As far as Langley's concerned, you're a double agent working with the bad guys.
Bold move coming in. I'd say you were double-crossing if there was still an agency for you to cross.
But I will give you Mason Kane and Bernard Orlick. You disappear me and my daughter for good.
You remind me of my uncle.
Pronto, sono Catherine.
Felix ha avuto un piccolo incidente al Parco Gio. Lo stiamo portando al pronto soccorso del San Germano.
Let's get to the truth, okay? All right, Chuck, you want the truth?
I'd fucking love to know the truth, Hutch.
This last year has taken a huge toll on my mental health. I'm on the way back from my last mission in Damascus on a Qatari air flight, and I start bawling my fucking eyes out. Oh, is that for me? Thanks.
I say, you don't have any earplugs, do you?
You're also spotted by agents in France.
Oh, shit.
All right, guys, you got me. I need help. I'm in way too deep. That's why I came.
Oh, God!
10 more seconds. Otherwise, we cook them.
How bad is it? 200,000?
400K.
And I'm sure the people you owe the money to are not very nice. And what if I told you I could give you your money, but I just need one thing from you? Oh, just a cup of coffee.
And I start bawling my fucking eyes out.
Oh, is that for me?
Should have just taken the deal.
What was all that? Turning everybody in, we're up to something shit.
I had to improvise.
You fucked us.
Jesus, Hutch. Suspect shot. He's headed towards the library.
허치는 나디아가 계획대로 움직이지 않았다며 그녀에게 총을 쐈고 여기까지가 전부 이들의 작전이었던 겁니다.
Let's find out who you are, Mr. Edison. Now that's a bait and switch. Oh, shit. Didn't I give you the earplugs?
No, you didn't.
그렇게 정보를 챙겨 탈출길에 나섭니다.
You mind if I sit down? What position would you call me?
You have it.
Ha Jun-yu, Korean national, born in 73.
He's one of the richest men in South Korea.
In 2 days' time, it's the Greenpeace annual gala in Windsor. Ha-jun and his wife are huge contributors to Greenpeace.
에디슨의 본명은 유하준으로 곧 열릴 자선 행사의 모습을 드러낼 예정이었죠.
They should be here soon.
It's been a long day. Did you know the world used to be a place, and we, as spies, were supposed to soldier into the murk, into the gray, and see things clearly. I don't know who's a threat or who isn't anymore. 2,562 people were slaughtered in their homes. Betray those people. Do you have any idea?
Not a clue.
Probably something that wouldn't have killed 2,000 innocent people.
Even after all that, she didn't get the guy who gave the order.
It was an error, it was a miscalculation, and our informant sold us out. I was given the wrong coordinates.
How are we not the same?
There is an asshole that needs to be stopped. Whether you believe it or not, you need me to. Don't worry about it. If I shoot you, it won't be in the back.
Vai, sua vez. Ó.
Você vai me matar.
Que peça é essa?
O rei.
O rei é a peça que você mais tem que proteger.
Mas por quê?
Se o rei ficar sozinho, ele ainda consegue ganhar o jogo.
Você ainda pode ganhar sem mim, pai?
Ó. O rei aqui é você. Eu sou um peão.
한편 프랭크는 팀원들의 눈을 피해 유아준의 정보를 누군가에게 넘기고 있는데
Fuck it.
그 정보를 받은 건 나디아를 쫓던 멘티코어 요원 아파르나입니다.
Come on, gather round. Here's our mark. Ha-Jun-yu. We get in, abduct him, we get out. We just have to scoop him before Paolo does. So, Hutch, you and Celine, you're going to neutralize the target. Francis and I will be waiting outside to transport.
Aparna discovered Edison's identity. Ha Jun-yu. He'll be in Windsor tomorrow attending Greenpeace's gala.
You know how I love a good party.
멘티코어 보스 브라가 역시 하준의 정보를 입수하곤 직접 현장으로 향합니다. 나디아와 메이슨은 행사장에 자연스럽게 침투하기 위해 부부로 위장했고 거기에 웨이터로 위장해 기회를 노리는 허치와 셀린까지.
You good? Don't worry. Brock is a dead man.
Spiritually draining.
I don't have a spirit.
I don't like this mission for you either.
Because you're a good person. And, yeah, you're a good person. He's a piece of shit, and I'm gonna kill him for you.
And Citadel? I don't like lying to them.
Well, you don't have to. I'll do all the lying.
Tu crois pas qu'on devrait leur dire la vérité sur Edison?
It's just too big of a risk to take.
그렇게 며칠 뒤 유아준이 나타나기로 한 그린피스 행사가 화려하게 시작됩니다.
There he is. What are you doing?
What are you doing? Married couples don't kiss.
Don't they? We kissed when we were married. We laid in the sun deck and we kissed. That was perfect.
I erased those memories. We weren't really married. Why did you come back?
For Abby.
And now you want to save Abby.
She's the mother of my child and I love her.
We're with catering.
So what do we do now?
We wait.
Are you married, Bernard?
My daughter was very young, and my wife and I were struggling. She wanted me to be around more, and in our line of work, that's not.
And normal doesn't exist.
Yep, I ruined everything.
You see, it's hard for a genius to be in love, and there is nothing reasonable about love.
Well put.
So why are you trying to play me?
You're the one who's playing.
You can't be in love with two people, Mason. Into not killing you or letting you kill me first. What right do you have to kill me? You're a fucking monster. You slaughtered innocent people, ruined so many lives, including mine.
You know, I spent a lot of time wondering why I loved you. I didn't feel like such a monster. You know, when I was with you,
How's it going?
The more that guy talks, the worse it gets.
Could I've got some champagne here. Could I give this to your guests? Enjoy.
How long will this take?
Boss, how are we looking for you?
She is about to regret wearing that white dress.
Hello? Imagine, brother, protecting the planet. It isn't the planet that's gonna feel something, it's us. I wanted to steal a tight five with you.
so set up a meeting.
Please have a seat. Have a seat.
I have a program that needs to be finished. Edison.
They never expect a woman.
Who is that?
I am no one. But you are Edison.
진짜 에디슨은 유아준이 아닌 그의 아내였던 거죠.
You always did strike me as an idiot.
결국 아파르나의 습격으로 하준은 숨을 거두고 진짜 에디슨마저 허무하게 빼앗기고 마는데
How much are they paying you?
What? 3 million.
So I'll give you 4.
브라가는 이제 에디슨을 확보해 무사히 탈출하기만 하면 되는 상황이었죠.
Don't make a fucking sound.
Glad to meet you. I want my wife.
What's happening?
We have Hajun coming down now.
분노한 메이슨은 되려 브라가를 납치해 어디론가 차를 몰아갑니다.
Tomorrow,
사실 메이슨은 처음부터 브라가를 납치할 생각이었습니다. 어머니 달리아와 거래할 생각이었죠.
Smile.
He was a kid.
He was a cop. It's maths. You're weak-kneed like your father.
He's a fucking monster. God, this was a mistake. Coming back to you, trusting you again.
We never learn in this family.
올릭은 그제서야 메이슨이 자신들을 배신했다는 사실을 전해 듣고 분노하는데
What the fuck happened in
Mason
there?
took Paolo.
Tell me you have Edison.
Paolo just killed Edison.
It's the wife. She's the hacker.
We lose Paolo and this is over.
What the fuck you mean he's gone?
We don't know.
I want you to call in every fucking favor.
Now!
Why didn't you go and clean up?
Where would Mason go? Well, I got some friends at the Met. They might be able to help with that.
You know this is suicide. I get my wife, they get you. It would be very bad for you if she isn't.
He has a son. Must be what, 10 by now? I would bring him his wife.
I know you have little regard for children, but if you ever speak about my son again, I will burn you to death like your husband. We need to call your people.
How do I know you'll hold up your end of the bargain?
You don't.
You stay here, I'll make the call.
We have Edison now. I'm just here for my wife. I've been looking for you for a while now. Here I am. Maybe I wanted to be here. Tied up. To finally have a private audience with Mason Kane. Kinship with you. I'd fucking applaud you if my hands weren't tied. I've been looking for you not to kill you. We can create peace. Isn't that what we want for our children?
Joanna, lovely to hear your voice, dear. Bring Abby Conroy to London immediately.
So I suggest you bring him back to us before we do find you.
No, you really are out of your depth, you ridiculous twat.
Time to go.
메이슨의 배신은 올릭의 팀 내부에 걷잡을 수 없는 불화를 불러오고
Nothing on Mason yet.
You let him get to you.
I didn't.
If you didn't keep your daughter's very existence from him, he never would have flown off the handle. Would have betrayed Citadel.
You are to blame. And had you not murdered his father and created him, maybe the agency would still be standing today. So why did you bring him
He
into
was
this?
supposed to work!
The things you build are flawed because you are flawed.
What'd they say?
Go and pick up your mess.
Thank you.
We should burn the car, steal another one to transport him. You'll probably be better at that than me. You go. Did you charm him with your wiles? Good to see you again. It's been a while since you signed my death warrant.
What's in it for you?
Love. Maybe I wanted to make amends to him. I was a manticore mole. He knew what I did.
My father rescued you. I'm here to do it again. So are we gonna negotiate or what?
I'm here to help my son, but I don't have you gagged, do I?
Good. It's Frank Sharp. Listen, I need a favor. The camera's lost a car on the outskirts of Croydon, but it's definitely them. Okay.
다행히 프랭크의 활약으로 메이슨의 위치를 알아내는 올릭 일행.
What's this?
Well, I'm starving. I thought it would be nice, you know, little, not sure when we'll get the chance again.
I remember this smell. His favorite.
He was brilliant and certain, and he was dishonest and cruel, and I loved him. And here you are, risking the woman you love for the woman you married.
I love Abby. She's my wife.
Doesn't mean that you love her. Nadia?
You're fucking with me.
I'm simply not. I can't.
Did you make a deal with him?
Of course not. A deal I didn't make. And then I'll call Joanna. You're looking more and more like your father. Not a shred of me.
맨티코어 요원 아파르나가 진짜 에디슨을 납치해가는 동시에 인질로 잡혀있던 아내 에비 역시 거래 현장으로 끌려 나옵니다.
You're making a mistake. Don't be late.
So you tried to cut a deal with her.
She tried to cut one with me. I wanted something she wasn't willing to give. Or maybe she gave it. Is that your father? Do you often think of him? I dream of my father sometimes. We're in the ocean, off the coast of St. Louis. Just him and me. We're drowning. The boat is out in the distance. Closer and closer the boat comes. That the boat sees us. Will save us. I hold down his coat. It was cancer that took him. Never thought that fair. I wasn't the one to do it. Your father was a saint.
I'm done talking about my father.
Why? And then you killed thousands to avenge his death. Do you think he will be proud of you?
Is this how you think you're gonna get to me?
Flattery didn't work earlier. I'm thinking maybe guilt could. We can remake the world the way your father saw it. I'm giving you a choice. To hide even you from yourself. You've brought only pain and death to everyone who loved you. Scrubbing themselves. Kill you themselves!
You may have just killed your wife.
What are we gonna do?
What size suit you wear?
브라가의 사망 소식은 꿈에도 모른 채 에비와 브라가의 아내 올릭과 팀원들까지 마침내 한 장소로 모여듭니다.
Still warm.
Yeah.
Edison's gone. They flew her out.
What? Change of plan. Charing Cross Tube Station, old platform 3, 10 minutes.
Once you've got her, get out of there.
And if this exchange happens to go pear-shaped, you be sure to make way for Mason. We're gonna need every bit of him.
Let's do this.
메이슨은 자신이 브라가인 척 목소리를 변조해 직접 에비와 만나기로 하고
Thank you for this.
Stop there!
Joe, don't pull anything.
Where's Mason?
Well, someone has to keep eyes. I'm certain you're doing the same. Just the two of you. Girl walks to me.
Same time.
No smart moves.
Always a pleasure, Dahlia.
All right, we're safe now.
Am I?
I told you to go!
Ow!
Your head!
I'm fine.
Abby, you okay?
You mean Celeste? How could you have done that? Where are we going? Just doesn't matter!
뒤늦게 쫓아온 올릭에게 메이슨 일행이 붙잡히고
What is there to talk about? Mason killed the motherfucker.
Paolo can still win this thing.
브라가는 죽었지만 브라가의 아내 조아나가 뜻을 이어받을 거라 확신하는 올릭.
With a black hat like Edison, they'll do it in no time.
The Manchurian candidate was not nearly this.
And despite all this, we have to stop the killer.
올리게 예상대로 조아나는 음모를 실행해 러시아 대통령을 제거하기로 마음먹는데
Eyes forward, unless you want to lose them.
27 hours.
Is Abby okay?
Stitched it up best I could. She'll live, unfortunately. That's for tasing me. The assassin's in motion.
Why are you telling me?
Because the consensus is apparently you're needed for this.
Finally got me into your boudoir, you old bag.
Really, this is too pathetic a way to kill me, even for you.
It's a funny thing about faking your own death. And you don't think that leaving a 5-year-old child...
He was broken by you when he was 5 years old and saw his father burning to death in his bed. Point down the right path with your hands, covered in blood.
I loved him too, you know.
Well, apparently, not enough to spare him.
It was an error.
Why are you here, Bernard?
You good?
Well, I didn't kill her. I'll leave you to it.
You okay?
Your wife stitched me up good. Nadia.
Thank you for helping me get my wife back. Abby.
I'm sorry for what I did to you, but there's still time for you to choose who you are.
Don't look at me.
Because once you're inside with the tech that Joanna has, she can turn anybody there into a killer. So I think that she's going to kill him at the press conference.
It's a 7-hour journey, so we need to go now.
I need to put Abby somewhere safe first.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
You stay here, they'll find you, they'll kill you, then what's Hendrix gonna do?
What do you want from me?
Remorse.
I'm sorry.
I'm not.
Yes, I am. And I'm sorry. But maybe what we do tomorrow can start to set things right. There's a cottage about a mile away from the safe house. You can take Abby there. And then I need Mason Kane.
Hey, I didn't mean to rile you up back in London.
I've been thinking, and the shit really hits the fan, what happens to the people we care about? I guess you all have family.
Well, you got her. We can protect the ones we love from being killed. That's inside of those we love from being killed. You're doing that. Keep doing it.
So we were friends? Close? Were you in on it, what he did to me? No. And why didn't you tell me who I was?
I really didn't know how.
그 시각 조아나는 브라가의 조락자였던 총리를 직접 찾아가고
Where is Mr. Braga?
I have put 12 billion in an escrow account.
I have my own contingency. I don't exist. We are exempt from your prying eyes. We remain free.
Keep typing. Come on.
I'm sorry for what I did to you. I will do anything for you.
Do you remember the weekend we went to Portland? Yeah. Do you remember I left? Got another room. But yeah, I left. And the reason that I did was because when we were in bed, you said her name, Nadia. You whispered it in your sleep. That was the first time, and I tried to believe otherwise, but I always felt that when you looked at me, you were somehow hoping you'd see her. I don't think you can blame it all on him, on Mason.
All right, you lock the door. If anyone comes, doesn't matter who it is, you shoot first. When I get back, we'll talk.
I'm gonna go get Hendrix and I'll take her someplace you'll never find us. And you and Nadia are off saving the world again.
God, it's not like that at
Isn't
all.
it? Why'd you come back?
I was pulled back in.
Or was it him?
It's not a cover.
Do you love him? You may hate him, but do you love him? The least you can do is tell me the truth.
I wish I didn't.
Do you love her?
I'm not doing this.
I just risked everything to save your life. I love you.
Then we go now. We go get Hendrix. You can't have both.
메이슨이 애비를 선택하는 사이 에디슨은 마침내 칩을 해킹하는 데 성공합니다.
Activate.
On it.
I'm sorry.
I have to go.
조아나가 기억을 잃은 애비를 보내기 전 그녀의 뇌에 제어칩을 심어뒀던 거죠.
Hold on, okay? We gotta move you. Okay, come on. I love you.
결국 애비는 혼란 속에서 도망치고 치명상을 입은 메이슨은 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
She's gonna pulse.
Sorry, Bernard.
Hey, it's all right. Sorry. Take it easy. Take it easy.
It was Abby.
Why would Abby kill Mason?
They used the backstop chip that was already in her head.
What? Fuck me.
Yes.
Catherine Walcott.
그 시각 애비는 기자로 위장해 대통령이 참석하는 정상회담장으로 들어설 계획인데
Sit. Kane's wife killed both Kane and Singh.
My hand was right here.
Remember?
The rest of them will be at the G8 to stop her. We will succeed with Paolo's mission.
조아나는 자신들의 계획을 방해하는 올릭을 처단하기 위해 아파르나를 급파하고
The G8's in 2 hours. You need to get there. I'm going to find Joanna and stop her from killing President Aronoff.
Fucking Mr. Rogers over here.
You're down 2 agents.
Just one.
The Glenbrook Hotel. Joanna checked in last night.
Okay.
What's wrong?
I killed Mason. I killed his father.
The weight of all this does not rest on your shoulders.
I'm going to kill Joanna. And if I don't get out, I want you to finish it. And I want you to take care of my family.
You have my word.
Thanks.
All the best.
G8 정상회담을 앞두고 전 세계의 이목이 쏠린 회담장으로 관계자들이 모여드는 가운데 삼엄한 경비로 둘러싸인 통제구역에 뻔뻔하게 들이닥친 프랭크.
This is my land, so if you don't remove this metal fence, I'll call the council. Now go and fetch me an iron brew.
What did you say?
IDs?
Yeah.
Got nothing, Gordon.
Right. Everyone get out of the car.
Gordon. They're there.
We're all set. Escrow is active.
After a peace deal brokered last May.
once. As the G8 heads of state are soon set to arrive.
Hey, how's my girl?
How are we, Malcolm? Give me what I need, and your daughter lives. Understood? Paolo Braga's fortune. All of it.
Even if I wanted to give it to you, I can't.
Upon his death, you're the trustee of his estate, yes?
You're fleecing me for the equivalent of the GDP of a small nation.
Some would say that's a small price to pay for the life of their daughter.
어느덧 각국의 정상들도 하나둘 회담장의 모습을 드러내기 시작하고
There. She must be heading for the roof.
You're not wearing a gold badge. You can't go up these stairs. Or CIA. Badges where you can piss off.
Thank you very much.
There had to be a million fucking stairs.
Gotta be fucking kidding me.
러시아 대통령의 도착에 맞춰 애비 역시 저격 준비를 시작합니다. 주아나는 이 모든 상황을 멀리서 감시하고 있었고 그런 그녀의 뒤로 조용히 접근해 나가는 올릭.
Hey.
You gonna kill me? Or what are you gonna tell my daughter? Are you gonna tell her that you murdered her mom? And what about your own daughter?
Well, someone has a very devoted staff.
Just come with me.
Please help me.
The assassinations happened.
I want it. See, you're not the only person who wanted Aronov killed. You killed Mason King.
올릭이 팀원들 몰래 프랭크에게 대통령 암살을 지시했던 것. 그리고 그 사이 애비는 차디찬 바닥에서 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
It wasn't her. We stopped her. It wasn't Abby.
It was us.
What the fuck did you do?
A plan that unfortunately I couldn't tell you about.
올릭의 독단적인 계획을 알게 된 팀원들은 걷잡을 수 없는 배신감에 분노하고
Look, what we did today is bigger than any of us.
가장 중요한 위성 제어권이 맨티코어의 손에 완전히 넘어가는 걸 막기 위해 대통령을 제거해 총리에게 권력을 쥐어준 뒤 그와 협상의 위성 독재권을 가지려 했던 겁니다.
You knew Abby was the assassin when she came back to us, didn't you?
애비가 암살자인 걸 알고도 모른 척한 올릭에게 실망한 나디아는 분노를 참지 못하고 자리를 박차고 나가게 되죠. 그렇게 나디아를 제외한 팀원들이 다음 작전을 위해 비행기에 몸을 싣는데 놀랍게도 전용기 안에는 메이슨의 어머니이자 만악의 근원인 달리아가 기다리고 있습니다.
Did you get it?
And you?
32 billion.
I'm stepping in for Joanna, and I thought you might want someone with a steadier hand. I'm going to offer you 24 billion. I'm very sorry. Do it.
러시아 대통령이 된 총리와 협상에 성공하자마자 올릭은 위성을 폐기하고
You bought all those satellites just to blow them up?
Nobody should have that kind of power.
그로부터 2달의 시간이 흐른 뒤 나디아는 메이슨과 애비의 무덤을 찾아옵니다. 그리고 그녀의 뒤로 씁쓸한 표정의 올릭이 다시 모습을 드러내죠.
Took you longer than I thought.
Why did you come?
This is the last time you'll ever see me.
Everything we do is to protect.
Protect who?
You are not supposed to retire.
Not working with you is for my daughter.
They're going to track you down, you know. All the Manticore families, CIA.
I was raised in the shadows. I think I'll be fine. A parting gift. We're not the only ones that survived the fall of Citadel. Careful there, Bernard.
결국 나디아는 올릭을 뒤로 완전히 팀을 떠났고
Hit the road, Jack. Hit the road, Jack. No more. Don't you come back.
I thought we should catch up.
아파르나에게 총구를 내미는 나디아를 비추며 시타델 시즌2가 끝납니다. 자신의 과거가 조직을 무너뜨린 최악의 배신이었음을 깨달은 주인공이 무너진 신뢰 속에서 다시 거대한 적과 마주하는 첩보 액션 시타델 시즌2였습니다. 모든 기억을 되찾은 메이슨과 그를 향한 의심을 온전히 거둘 수 없는 나디아가 어쩔 수 없이 다시 손을 잡고 위태로운 공조를 이어간다는 전개가 초반부터 특유의 묵직한 긴장감을 자아내며 시선을 잡아끄는데요. 이야기는 복잡하고 치밀한 수싸움보다는 다양한 지역을 무대로 펼쳐지는 진중한 첩보전과 비밀 조직 맨티코어에 맞서 싸우는 직관적인 타격감 위주로 흘러갔고 막대한 제작비가 묻어나는 압도적인 스케일과 매끄러운 연출 덕분에 킬링타임용으로 가볍게 눈 호강하며 보기 좋은 작품이지 않았나 생각이 듭니다. 시타델 시즌2는 아마존 프라임 비디오에서 시청 가능합니다. 감사합니다.